welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of doing backups. And I'm going to talk about simple backups, which is basically you copy your files, transfer your files that you want to back up to another hard drive or a thumb drive, and you paste them to that hard drive. And that's a simple backup. I'll show you that in a moment. And then there are free programs where you can back up your entire hard drive and operating system. I'll show you that. And then there are paid programs like Acronis. And I personally use Macrium. After many years of using Acronis, I decided to go with Macrium on the recommendation of Maximum PC magazine. And so I think that Macrium is probably the best one and the quickest one for me. So we'll go through that as well. What I call a simple backup is simply copying and pasting data. In this case, it's going to be, I'm going to go to my pictures folder. And let's assume I only have a few pictures and I have this in one folder. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to access the outside hard drive, outside of your PC, in this case a USB hard drive, and I'm going to paste. And that's a simple backup. We'll do the same thing for the music. Copy it, go to the USB hard drive, and paste it. Now, those two folders are backed up now onto another hard drive. And so you have a good chance of keeping your data that way. Now remember, hard drives do fail. So in my case, I have several backups of my music, several backups of my pictures. Yay! You decide what you need. So let's start with the free and easy Backerupper. Okay, download free Windows backup software. Download Freeware. Oh, of course, they try to sell you the Pro version. You can just close that. Okay, and let's open that up. And again, they're going to try to sell you the Pro version. Skip that. Okay, install now. For some reason, the installation of this program, it slows down at 91%, and then at the very end, like I see, it's installed. Okay, so we're going to back up the operating system on this PC. So click New Backup. And we're going to do System Backup. Okay, so that would be the C partition and the small partitions that comes with Windows. Then it says back up the source data above to the location below. So we're going to use an external hard disk drive. So I'm going to plug in this hard drive. Okay, and okay, so I opened up File Explorer and I found that the USB hard disk drive that I just plugged in is D. So that's all we needed to know. So I'm going to back it up, select local path, and this PC, and there's the hard disk drive, and we can make a new folder. Okay, so we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to name it Backup, Date, open it, and I already made a folder for it. It's empty, Backup, then we open it. And so the D drive, which is the USB hard drive, is the destination folder. And we're going to start the backup. And depending on your PC, depending on your memory, depending on your processor, this can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a half hour. Just be patient. Okay, backup completed successfully. Now it's asking me what is recovery environment and its advantages. So basically it is a way to boot in to your computer before Windows loads so that you can do a offline restore. So I'm going to click Create Now. Windows 10 and Windows 11 both need that. Windows 8, before that Windows 7, and before that Windows XP, they used a Linux based. So let's assume that you've done the backup and that you created the bootable media. Let's turn on the computer and let's press F9. Okay, that gives us our boot option menu. Again, we want USB hard drive. Tap on that. Okay. Okay, and we're not backing up now. We are going to restore. Now we're going to select an image file, this PC, and if you remember, it's on USB hard disk drive. There's my backup. Open that. System backup. There's our file. It's looking for ADI file. Open that. Click Next. And we're going to do Start Restore. Okay, it's finished. And if we did it right, the computer will boot right into Windows. Press Finish. Okay. And this should boot right into Windows from our store. Okay. Our operation worked. And that was the free program called Backerupper. So my preferred paid program is Macrium Reflect. So I just click on that, allow it to load, create an image of the partitions required to back up and restore Windows. Click on that, and down here have to choose a backup folder again. So I'm going to click on Backups, create a new folder, and today's date 3/17/23. Okay. Now this program is super quick because it's paid for. Now with this program, after it's completed, it does its auto validation. It will validate that the backup is worthy and you'd be able to use it. And I believe that's important. So this adds on a few extra minutes after you do the backup. And that's one of the benefits of a premium program, is that they do validate for you. Okay, we did it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something about backing up your computer. And until the next time, have a wonderful day.